This is the second video on the topic mathematical operators. If you are interested in watching the previous video on this topic, the link is given in the description box. So, we are going to see how to multiply and divide. For multiply, we will use this, and for divide, we will use this special character. Remember, we spoke about special characters and I had explained that each character has a name. So this is called asterisk and this is called a forward slash. This is what we are going to use for multiplication, and forward slash we are going to use for division. So let us start with multiplication. Soon it will be Diwali, so all of us are going to collect toys to give to children. Till now we have collected 5 boxes. So let's write boxes equal to 5. And each box has 15 toys in it. So let us write toys equal to 15. Now totally, how many toys have we collected? So total toys will be equal to toys into boxes. So asterisk boxes. So print, let's print the value within single quotes, the total number of toys are percentage d, because we are going to print an integer variable. Then after this percentage, within brackets, total underscore toys. Save the file and run the code. So 75 is printed as the total toys, so which is 15 into 5. We can also multiply more than 2 variables in the same sentence. Let us say a famous toy shop has told us that for every toy we collect, they will give one toy from their shop. So our collection will become double. So if we have 2 toys, they will give another 2 toys, so it will become 4. If we have 5 toys, they will give us 5 toys and it will become 10. So now to calculate the total toys, we have to multiply by 2. So here we can write toys into boxes, which is already there. Now we are going to put asterisk 2. Now let us print this. So save the file and run the code. So our count got doubled and 150 is printed. So this multiplying of more than one variable or number in a sentence, this can be done for division, for addition, for subtraction, for any of the mathematical operation. Okay, now let us do division. Let us say we go to a shop to buy pens. We choose a type of pen that we like and we buy 4 pens in the same type. The bill is 80 rupees. So what is the cost of each pen? Let us write the code to calculate it. So our bill is equal to 80 rupees and pens equal to, this is the number of pens we bought, which is 4. So the cost of a pen will be equal to, what will it be? Bill by pens. So the total bill by the pens. So now let's print it. Print within brackets, the cost of one pen is percentage d, percentage, the variable cost of pen. Now save the file and run the code. So 20 is printed as output. So 20 is the cost of one pen. We can also get the remainder from division as output using this symbol, which is called the percent symbol. So in division we can get the quotient and the remainder, right? So this forward slash helps us get the quotient. Now we are going to use percent to get the remainder. So what is the remainder if I divide 5 by 2? The remainder is 1, right? So 2 would go 2 times 4 and then the remainder will be 1. So let us quickly write it in Python. So we can write remainder equal to 5% 2 and get the output as 1. This is the concept which is used a lot for checking if a number is odd or even. So even numbers are divisible by 2, so the remainder will be 0, and odd numbers are not divisible by 2, so they will have a remainder of 1. So when we use this percent symbol and divide the number, if the remainder is 0, then we know that the number is even, and if we divide the number by 2 and get 1 as a remainder, we know that the number is odd. So after we see a few more interesting topics in this code, we can write a really cool program to check if a number is odd or even. We can give any number as input and the code will tell us whether the number is odd or even. Okay, we will see that very soon. For now, if you have any topics on questions on this topic, which is multiply and divide, please leave a comment and codepannu.com team will reply to your question.